Hard floors, rugs, and carpets are beautiful, but the backaching labor you have to go through to keep them sparkling clean is quite annoying. Besides, stains, spills, and debris find their way back to the surface minutes after you're done with the tedious cleaning chores. The best robot mops always come to your rescue, only requiring you to fill their tanks with water, set them in their ideal position, and press the start button. Starting at number 1. Narwal T10 Robot Mop. The Narwal T10 leaves your hard floor spotless with its versatile sweeping and mopping suction. It uses triangular mop pads that spin at 180 RPM for maximum cleaning efficiency. The two unique side brushes lift and loosen stubborn particles, ensuring there's no dirt left behind. Inside the base station are two 1.3-gallon tanks, one for clean and the other for dirty water, ensuring the mops are spotless. Their large volume can cover a 3,000 square feet apartment before requiring you to refill them. Powering this robot mop is a 5,200 mAh battery, which lets it run for 2.5 hours on a single charge. With the Narwal app, you can activate the child lock, set no-go zone barriers, and adjust the moisture values. It also displays the battery level, cleaning status, progress bar, and other crucial alerts. This robot mop cleans your floor in a zigzag pattern and uses cliff sensors to prevent it from rolling down the stairs. Number 2. Roborock S7 Robot Mop. The Roborock S7 has informative voice notifications and intelligent room mapping, making it one of the best robot mops in the market. The mop bracket vibrates up to 3,000 times per minute in a tight Z pattern, loosening all floor stains that require a bit of elbow grease. It uses sonic vibration technology to help it boost the suction power when cleaning hard floors. The electronic water tank is roughly 300 milliliters, which is enough to provide deep clean up to 2,150 square feet in one session. The robot mop comes with 4 cliff sensors that measure the distance between the floor and the base to prevent it from tumbling down the stairs. Battery performance is impressive, thanks to the 5,200 mAh lithium-ion battery that runs for approximately 3 hours. Setting this mop is painless with the Roborock app. You can set cleaning schedules, plus it's compatible with Amazon Alexa, so you can control it using simple voice commands. Number 3. IRobot 240 Braava Robot Mop. The IRobot 240 Braava is hands down one of the most incredible robot mops in the market. Unlike previous models with 2 cleaning modes, this one has 3, where each performs a unique task of optimizing performance. An exciting development is the new built-in virtual wall, which creates an invisible barrier. This technology prevents the robot from crossing the created line to avoid distracting kids when playing. Cleaning operations are pretty quiet, so the robot will hardly interfere with your studying or working sessions. The IRobot 240 Braava is compact, only measuring 6.7 x 7 x 3.3 inches. It also has rounded edges for thorough mopping. The robot uses a systematic cleaning pattern, providing excellent sweeping and cleaning to all your hard floor surfaces. There's a highly responsive eject and discard button which lets you dispose of the pads without touching dirt and grime. Number 4. Ecovacs Deebot N8 Pro Plus Robot Mop. The Ecovacs Deebot N8 Pro Plus is one of the most convenient mopping solutions in the DBot lineup. On board is a TrueDetect technology that recognizes obstacles from a distance, ensuring the robot doesn't get stuck during the cleaning process. The robot mop runs for 110 minutes and covers up to 2,000 square feet before returning to its dock for recharging. It resumes cleaning after getting enough power. Connecting the robot mop to the Ecovacs app is quick, allowing you to set cleaning programs and specify no-go zones within a short time. You can also create a map where the robot should spend more time, like in the kitchen, pet hangouts, and hallways. There's a 3-layer filtration system that sieves up to 99% of dirt, leaving your home in pristine condition. This robot mop barely needs any interaction with the self-emptying station, helping you save time and effort. Number 5. Coredy R750 Robot Mop. You'll love the Coredy R750 for its exceptional cleaning performance, long battery life, and sleek design. Its 2000 pascals suction power is suitable for households with pets as it sucks dirt and fur, leaving the carpet clean. The robot uses the latest mopping technology plus an electronically controlled water pump to monitor how dry your floor is. It adjusts how much water a particular floor type requires, reducing the chances of any spillage. The robot mop has upgraded sensors that detect the included boundary strips, ensuring it only cleans the assigned places. With the drop sensing technology, you don't have to worry about accidental falls that would compromise your robot's performance. The Coredy R750 works with voice assistance, allowing you to start and stop cleaning through a simple command. It runs for 150 minutes on low suction power and up to 90 minutes when operating on demanding floors. Number 6. Bissell SpinWave Robot Mop. The Bissell SpinWave is a low-profile and ultra-quiet robot mop designed to leave your hard floor shiny. It uses a Robiro navigation pattern to avoid missing some areas during cleaning. An intriguing addition to this robot is the dual mopping and vacuuming mode, making it an excellent mopping solution. It uses the twin brushes to grab crumbs and dirt, then lets the vacuum nozzle with a 1500 pascals suction power pick them up. This robot mop comes with a soap formula that removes stains and dirt to restore the natural glow on your hard floors. You'll also appreciate the cliff detection sensor that alerts the robot once it reaches a drop-off. The Bissell SpinWave works with the Bissell Connect app, allowing you to schedule cleaning cycles or start/stop the cleaning process from anywhere. There's a lithium-ion battery that powers this robot, providing you with 130 minutes of cleaning time. Number 7. Ultenic T10 Robot Mop. Affordability, functionality, and reliability make the Ultenec T10 one of the best robot mops. The carpet boost technology increases the suction power once the robot reaches the carpets. As such, it does a thorough job when it comes to sucking hidden pet hair, debris, and other tiny particles.